another for TrackMaster treasure tasted. Yeah!
Comes with Thomas with seaweed on. And Skiff the railboat. Part of the Sodor's Legend of the Lost Treasure.
Let's open it!
Okay, go ahead. Oh, look, these are the pieces for the splash wave.
Let's put it together. This is how it looks after I put it together.
Cool. It's a cool set.
Oh no, it's stuck. Flash, 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 flash.
Help him.
Flash, flash. Let's see.
Splashy Thomas.
He's clean now.
He's clean, yeah. Make sure it stays in there.
A little help, please.
Okay. Thank you. Whoa, yeah, now he got the treasure. What do you have there? Uh-oh. It's gonna go the other way. Boom!
Getting the treasure.
He's trying to get the treasure. Oh, you got the rail. Oh no.
Is that get on smoothly?
Yeah. Whoa, look at this. Is it real? Oh.
Accidents happen.
What, do you see that? Whoa, they're all piled up.
Whoa! 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 Bye! If watching, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Do 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 do. I'm pretty good at this game.
Very good. Whoa!
He's punching it.
Where's pushing it? He's pushing the treasure up. Up. It fell up. Oh no! Boom!